Today is a full body workout day, but we're not going to be using any equipment at all. It's just completely body weight. So we will be doing 6 exercises split up into 3 supersets, and that's about it. Let's get into it. First, we're just going to start with a little warm up. So we're going for high knees for 30. Just getting the heart rate up. Ten to go. 2, 1, lunging. Alternate legs each time here. Start my workout. There are 2 more on each side. 2, last one. And coming down for some push-ups. Knees or toes. It's up to you for this one. Three more. And 10. All right, our first 2 exercises are a squat and a forward alternating lunge. So we're going to switch legs each time, similar to what we just did in our warm-up. All right, squats, got 15 reps here, sinking into those heels as we squat down. Let's go. Really sinking deep. 5 to go. 2, 1. All right, we're coming through for those forward lunges now. If you don't feel stable with the switching legs, you can just do the whole set on one leg and then switch to the other. We've got 10 reps each side here. Or just slow it right down if you need to. Make sure you're bracing your core here as well. Remember, every movement is a core movement. The core should always be switched on. Last 2. 1. Short rest in between, then we're straight back into it again. All right, let's go. 5 down. Chest up for these ones. Got a nice flat back. We're not arching forward, we're not on the toes. Sitting on the heels. Nice and strong right through that movement. 2, 1. Into our lunges. Strong and controlled right through each rep. Five to go. Last one. Short break, one more set here. Drink of water if you need to. And if you need longer rest periods, feel free to pause it, have a longer rest there, and then get straight back into it. All right, here we go. Last set of squats. 15 reps here. Quads should be starting to feel it. Even though they're just body weight exercises, in conjunction with our other training days, they'll be really starting to feel fatigued. Six to go. Last two. One. Into those forward lunges now. Nice and strong through that heel. Last time we're doing these lunges. 10 to go. You'll feel that core engage if you've got your hands on your hips here. Last two on each leg. And one. Little rest in between. We've got two new exercises. We're going for an inchworm, so walking our hands out, and then we're on the ground for Russian twists, just body weight. All right, let's get into it. Feet are planted, butt shoulder width apart here. We're just walking those hands out, pause in your plank, and then walking back in. If you do want to add a little bit extra, you can come down for a push-up and then walk your way back in. Otherwise, just pause in that plank and then coming back up strong. Five down, five to go. Last three. Two, one more. One. Coming down to the floor. If you do want to use a weight, you can use a weight for this one. Otherwise, we're just going side to side. We've got 30 here. 10 to go. One. Whew. Little break in between. Never underestimate power of body weight workout. All right. Short rest. Then we're straight back into it. Let's go. Back into those inchworms. Pausing at the end there each time. Engage that core. Should be switched on right throughout the movement. Four to go. Last 2. And 1 more. Standing up. And we're coming back down. Straight into those Russian twists. Hands in a diamond. Let's go. Halfway. 2, 1. Short little break here. We've got 1 more round of these. Deep breaths. Nice little recovery in between. Let that heart rate go down a little. Then we're straight back into it. Not too long for those rest periods, otherwise time gets away and your baby will be awake from the nap or whatever you're doing to squeeze this 20 minutes in. All right, last set here, let's go. Four down. Last 3. Two, 1 more. 1, into our Russian twists. Halfway. 10 to go. To 9, 30. Whew. Little rest in between here. Then we're into our last 2 exercises for today. Have a drink if you need. All right. The last 2 exercises, we have got a side-to-side lunge into a glute bridge. All right, let's go. Slow and controlled. Coming out, this leg stretches right out. This one we've got to bend. Same thing again, chest up, shoulders back, core is switched on. Three each side, left to go. Last one. All right, coming down to the floor. Simple in theory. Coming up, drive through the heels, squeezing those glutes at the top. If you struggle with feeling your glutes activating, pick those toes up a bit so that you're really focusing on that drive through those heels. Breathing out as you push to the top. 5 to go. Last 2. 1, hold here. Hold for 10 seconds. 2, 1. 1 round down, 2 to go. Short little break. Ready? Let's go. Nice flat feet here, and your feet are staying parallel to each other. They're not flaring out, they're staying parallel each step you take. I've lost count here, so we're just going off the vibe of how we're feeling these last few. 2 more each side, I reckon. 2, 1. Back down to the ground for your glute bridges. Hands on the hips, feet shoulder width apart. Drive those hips up. Don't come fully down to the ground, just a light touch and straight back up. 5 to go. 2, 1. Stay here. Little pulses at the top. 3 more. 10. Coming back up. Tiny little rest. Then into our last round for today. Told you guys at the start, never underestimate the body weight workout. Secret killer. Alright, let's go. I won't lose count this time. Halfway. Last time we're doing these. Two, 1 more. 1. Down to the floor. Last set of glute bridges. Ready? Let's go. Five more, but we're not finished there. We're going to stay up. 2, 1, pulsing. 3, 2, 1, hold. Hold here. You've got 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1.5, 1. Down. Whew. Taking a light stretch after that one. Stretching through the legs. You should always be stretching after each session. Literally just 10 seconds each side. You don't have to do a full-on 30-second hold for every single stretching day. Just do what you can when you can. Stretching through the shoulders. And we are all done for today. See you in the next one.